5 Most Powerful Shop Vac Reviews. Number 1. DeWalt DXV16PA 16-gallon. DeWalt DXV16PA is the top pick on this list for its ultimate cleaning efficiency, portability, and durability. The large tank capacity, higher CFM 116, and higher peak air watts 325 provide enough power and suction to clean every type of dirt. Besides, the built-in blower port lets you blow out debris, dust, and sawdust from most workshops. On top of that, the built-in tank drain makes it easy to remove liquids. In short, you can suck away water or other wet dirt efficiently and let the floor dry. Therefore, the DeWalt DXV16PA comes with a car nozzle and an extra long 16F cord. In return, you can clean up every tight and hard-to-reach area like a breeze. Number 2. Craftsman CMXEVBE17595 Wet Dry Vac. Craftsman CMXEVBE17595 is the runners-up on this list. The lack of this shop vac compared to our top pick is its low airflow and noise. Otherwise, it can beat DeWalt side by side. Like DeWalt, this vac also comes with a powerful 6.5 peak HP motor with a 16-gallon tank capacity. It means, for covering large job construction sites, you get sufficient suction to clean up dust, debris, and screws. Besides, the built-in blower port lets you switch it to use as a blower. With it, you can blow out debris and sawdust from your garage or yard. Similar to DeWalt, Craftsman also includes multiple accessories like crevice tools, nozzles, others. Using these attachments, cleaning the hard-to-reach areas is now effortless. Therefore, the built-in oversized drain empties the wet dirt like liquids efficiently. Number 3. Fine Turbo 2 Vacuum Cleaner. Fine Turbo 2 Vacuum Cleaner is the perfect bait for those who are looking for the best wet-dry vacuum. The Auto Start Wet Dry Vac lets you pick up both wet and dry materials without having the hassle of switching it. In simple words, you don't need to stop your cleaning operation repeatedly to convert the vac between wet and dry. As a result, you can save a lot of time. Besides, the shop vac comes with a powerful 1100-watt motor and high airflow 151 CFM rate. It means you can pull up every type of debris, even hazardous materials. Bypass cooling, perhaps, is the most innovative feature of this shop vac. It prevents the finest dirt from entering into the motor and helps extend this vacuum's life. For cleaning up tight spaces, Fine Turbo 2 comes with multiple accessories, including crevice tools and nozzles. Number 4. Vacmaster Professional Wet Dry Vac. Vacmaster Professional Wet Dry Vac is the best budget-friendly shop vac on this list. Despite the low price, it comes with a powerful 5.5 peak HP motor. It means you get strong suction to handle light to heavy dust like bolts efficiently. Besides, the built-in blower port lets you convert this vac into a blower easily. So, you can remove dust, debris, and sawdust from the garage, yard, and home. Afterward, the onboard storage system lets you organize your attachments and makes it easy to transport. Using the crevice tool and the nozzles, you can clean hard-to-reaches easily. The foam wet filter allows you to clean wet dirt and prevent them from entering the motor. And the fine dust cartridge filter helps to clean 99.97% of dust and improves air quality. Number 5. Dustless Wet Plus Dry Vacuum. At number 5, we bring Dustless Wet Plus Dry Vacuum for its advanced filtration system, high CFM, and micro pre-filters. The 3-stage filtration system ensures you to capture the finest dirt and particles. On top of that, the micro pre-filter lets you take on dust and allergens at 0.5 microns. The airflow of this vac is powerful and lets you take on every type of dust from small to heavy from large job sites. It comes with multiple accessories, including a crevice tool, extension wands, micro pre-filter bags, and others for ensuring efficient cleaning. Therefore, the hose length of this shop vac is 12 feet, that is enough to clean hard-to-reach areas. Afterward, you can lug around this vacuum cleaner effortlessly for minute cleaning as it comes with wheels.
Oh.